Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel e-commerce project tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about add new brand. So let's see how can we create the new brand. First of all, go to the admin controller. So switch to the project and just go inside the app directory, then http controllers, and from here let's open admin controller. Now inside this admin controller, let's create a new function, public function, and function name, let's say function name is add brand, and now just return a view, and let's say view name is admin dot brand dash add. Okay, and now let's create the route for this function. So go to the web.php file, so just go inside the routes folder, then web.php, and inside the admin route group, let's add here route get admin slash brand slash add. Okay, and then after this single quote, just add a comma, then big bracket admin controller colon colon plus, and then function name, which is this one, add brand. Okay, and also give the route name, admin dot brand dot add. Okay, now save this file, and now let's create this view brand dot add. Okay, so go to the admin folder, go inside the resources directory, then views, admin, and here let's create a new file, brand dash add dot blade dot php. Okay, and now let's extend the layout. So right here at the rate directive, at the rate extends directive, and just pass here the layout name, which is layouts dot admin. Okay, layouts is the folder name, and layout name is admin. And now just add here the section name, content, and now close the section. So right here in section. Okay, and now let's add the form here for adding the brand. So for that, go to the template directory inside the admin folder, let's open this one, add brand. Okay, open this add brand.html file in Visual Studio Code. Okay, and from this file let's find the main section. Okay, this is the main content. Okay, so let's copy this main content inner part. Okay, so just collapse this div and select this, copy, and go to the brand add.blade.php file, and inside this section just paste here. Okay, now let's add the dashboard link. So right here route, and then admin dot index, and here let's add the brands link. So right here route admin dot brand dot add. Okay, and now inside this form you can see here the brand name input field. Okay, and then brand slug, and after this one is for image, brand image, and here is the submit button, save button. Okay, and now let's check this form. So first of all, before checking this, let's add a link for adding the new brand. So go to the brands.blade.php file, and here let's add the link inside this anchor tag. So just remove this href and add here route and admin dot brand dot add. Okay, now save this and now let's check. So switch to the browser and refresh the page, and now just click on this add new, and you can see here the form. Okay, there is the brand name, brand slug, and this is the upload image control. Okay, now go to the admin controller and let's create another function for storing the brand. So right here public function and function name, let's say function name is brand underscore store. Okay, and inside this just pass request as a parameter dollar request. And now first of all let's validate the input. So right here dollar request arrow validate, and just pass here the name. Okay, also slug provide. Okay, and unique table name brands and add the column slug. And last one for image let's set here the image type. So right here MIMES colon PNG JPG, and also set the size max, let's say 2 MB. So right here 2048. Okay, now right here the semicolon, and after the validating the input fields. Okay, and now just create a variable for brand is equal to, create the new object new brand, and now set the value name is equal to request arrow name, then brand arrow slug is equal to let's generate the slug. So right here str colon slug dollar request arrow name. Okay, also import the str. So str let's import here. So right here use illuminate okay, and then support str, this one. Okay, and now for the image let's create a variable image is equal to dollar request arrow file, and pass here the name image. Now extract the file extension. So right here file underscore extension is equal to dollar request arrow file and image inside the single quote, and then call the extension method extension, this one. Okay, and now let's generate the file name using timestamp. So right here file name file underscore name is equal to carbon colon now. Okay, timestamp, and then concatenate here dot and then extension, file extension. Okay, dollar file underscore extension, this one. And now dollar this dollar brand arrow image is equal to dollar file name and now call the save method. Okay, and then return redirect to the branch route. Okay, so right here admin dot branch with success message. So right here is status branch has been added successfully. Timestamp. Okay, just remove this parenthesis. Now for saving the image and generating the thumbnail of image, let's create a function here. So right here public function and function name, let's say function name is generate brand thumbnails image. Okay, and inside this just pass it two parameters. First one is image and another one is image name. Okay, and inside this just write here first create a variable for destination path and set here the value of this public folder. Okay, this one upload and this one brand upload slash brand. So right here inside the public path public underscore path just pass here uploads slash brands. Alright, now dollar img is equal to image colon read, and inside this just pass here dollar image arrow path. For this image let's add one package here, image intervention. So for that go to the composer.jsn file. Here is the composer.jsn file, and inside this require let's add here double quote, and inside this just write here intervention slash image slash Laravel, and then add here the version caret sign 1.2, also added the comma, intervention and slash image dash Laravel. Okay, now save this and now go to the command prompt and let's run the command composer install okay, run the command composer update. You can see here image intervention has been now downloading and installing. Okay, package has been installed. Now let's clear the screen and now run the application php artisan serve. Okay, now switch to the project and go to the admin controller, and now let's import this. So here just write use and then intervention and then image. Okay, slash Laravel slash facades slash image. Okay, now save this. Intervention of the illuminate INTERVENTION, this one. Okay, now you can see here error has been gone. Now save this file, and after this just add here the size. So right here $img arrow cover, and then pass here the size 124 and 124 height and width. Okay, and set the position top, and now size the image img arrow with size 124. Okay, and then add here the callback function, and inside this just create a variable constraint okay, then constraint accept ratio, and now call here the save method, save dollar destination path, and concatenate the forward slash, then image name. Okay, now let's call this function from here. So before this one, so right here $this arrow, this function name, and just pass here the image and image name. Okay, so right here $image arrow image name, which is $file underscore name. Alright, now save this file. Now let's create the route for this function. So go to the web.php, and here let's create a new route, and this time method is put, and add the URI admin slash brand slash store, and then big bracket admin controller colon plus, and then add here the method, which is this one, brand underscore store, and now give the name route name, which is admin dot brand dot store. Okay, now save this. Now let's copy this route name and go to the brand add blade.php file view file, and inside this form just change here the action, and now add the route and pass here the route name, which is admin.brand.store. Okay, and inside this form, let's add here the @CSRF, and for keeping the old value inside the value, just write here double curly bracket old method, and just pass here the name of the input field, which is name. And now let's copy this and paste inside the slug. So right here slug. Alright, and now for displaying the validation error message, let's add here after this field set, just add here @error directive error, and inside this just pass here control name, which is name, and then add the span class span. Okay, class, and class set the alert class, so that your alert danger text center. Okay, now close this span, and inside this span tag just print here the message, so write a $message. Now close this span tag, and now let's copy and paste for the brand slug and for the image after this field set. And now change here the name for this one, just write here the control name, which is image, so right here image, and here slug. Okay, now save this. And one more thing for displaying the success message, go to the brands.blade.php file. Here before the table, let's add here a condition $if session has a status, then in session okay, in div, and then if session has this key, a status key, then just to display here just if, okay, not session, if session has a status, then just to display here a message. Let's add the p tag here and set the class alert success, and let's close this p tag, and inside this simply display here the message. So write here session : get, and pass here the method name, which is a status. Okay, now save this. And one more thing for previewing the product image inside the brand add view file, let's add here the JavaScript. So right here push and stack name, which is scripts. And let's see the layout file. Here is the layout file admin, and on the bottom you can see the stack scripts. So let's copy and paste here. Okay, and now add the script tag, the script, and close this script. First of all, add here the jQuery method, which is $document.ready or function. Okay, function, and inside this just write here dollar has, and this one, this id my file, and bind the change event on change event. Okay, so right here on, and event name which is change, and then add the callback function, pass the parameter e, and then inside this just create a variable const photo inp is equal to dollar, this one my file dot sorry my file, and then const inside the big bracket square bracket file is equal to this dot files. Okay, if file exists, then inside this preview image, okay, here is the preview image. Let's copy this id, and here add the dollar sign, this id, then img, call the AWGR attribute method, and set the src, which is url dot create object url from this file. Okay, and now so this tip, so simply copy this and paste here. Now remove the img and call here the show method, and after this also generate here the slug when entering the brand name. So for that, let's bind the one change event to the name input text field. Okay, so right here input, and if input is equal to name, inside the name is equal to name. Okay, then bind on change event on change, add the callback function, and inside this let's copy dot val, sorry, name is equal to slug val. Okay, and set the value, and for setting the value, before setting the value, let's create a function here. So after this create a function, let's say function name is a string to slug, and create one parameter text. Okay, and just return text to dot to lowercase, and then replace just add here the pattern or regex pattern. Okay, so forward slash big bracket and caret sign, this one. Okay, this one, and then add the plus g comma this blank, and then further replace forward slash plus slash g, and pass here the dash. Okay, and after this W, just add here one space. Okay, to lowercase, and another is replace this one and a space with dash. Right, now save this. Now let's copy this function name, and inside this var let's call this function and just pass here inside this function dollar this dot val. Okay, now save this file. I think everything is now done. So let's check. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Alright, else if okay, inside the inputs scripts. Okay, let's check the brand add view. Here is the push directive properly closed here, and now let's check another if directive. Okay, here is the arrow directive. Alright, just close here. So just write here int error, and now let's copy this and paste here, and also paste here. Okay, now save this file. Now just refresh the page. Okay, you can see here the page. Now let's add the brand name. Let's say brand name is brand 1. Okay, it's not generating the slug, so console unterminated regular expression. Okay, here is the inside this regular expression forward slash backward slash w big bracket plus e. Okay, just add here this one, this forward slash. Now save this and now refresh again. This time now clear the console. Just write here the brand name, brand 1. Text dot to lowercase is not a function. To lowercase. Okay, spelling mistake. This is the small t. Okay, now refresh one more time. It's not working. There is no any mistake. Let's try to refresh, hard refresh. For that, just press Ctrl F F5. Okay, now let's enter the brand name, brand space 1, brand 1. Now press tab. Okay, it's generated. Now select the brand image. Okay, you can see here the image preview. Now click on save. Alright, method not allowed. Put method. Okay, let's check the route. Okay, this is the post method, not put method. Now refresh the page again. enter the brand name, brand 1, select the brand image. Now click on save. And this time undefined property, this one. Okay, let's check one. Okay, here I missed here the parenthesis sign, so inside this add here parenthesis sign. Okay, now try one more time. So just refresh the page, so go back and refresh the page. Now enter the brand name, brand 1. Okay, now select the image. Now click on save, and this time you can see here the message brand has been added successfully. Okay, this is the brand image, brand name, and here is the slug. Okay, this time product is 0. Okay, now let's add one more brand. So just write here the brand name, brand 2, image. Okay, click on save, and you can see here the another brand. Okay, so in this way you can create a new brand. So that's all about creating new brand. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.